everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Barclays credit card account right from your computer. If you'd like to get online access to your credit card account, check your balance, make your payments, get access to your credit card transactions, and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the search box that pops up at the top, type in Barclays credit card login and press enter. Click the first link that you can see at the top on the next page. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area for Barclays credit card. Type in your username in the first text field and head over to the next field where it says password and make sure to type it in correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. In case you don't remember your username, you can click on Forgot Username or Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username. Similarly, you can also click on the same link and reset your password to a new one in case you've forgotten your password as well. Once you've typed in your credentials correct, if you'd like the system to remember your username, you can click on Remember Username box. But make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in if you are using a public computer or a shared computer. Finally, after you are done, click the Login button in blue and you'll be able to get access to your credit card account for Barclays. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.